is a test flight with the Sports Cub S2. The motor blew, so I had to change the motor in this one. This is brand new. Was brand new. It's less than maybe 2 weeks old, and the motor blew already. So we're gonna see how this motor does. I had a bunch of them laying around. So let's see. Here we go. Yeah, it got some power now. Yeah, this is half throttle and it's flying. Yesterday it wouldn't fly at all. The motor just stopped and it fell out of the sky. Yeah, it's working nice. This little plane flies great. I can't believe how good it flies. It's just a great little plane. Flying great. I love this thing. Little Sports Cub S2. What an excellent plane. That is awesome. Okay, we're gonna come in for a landing. Beautiful. What a plane. That is unbelievable. Yeah, I did put the FPV wire out, just in case I feel like FPV in it. Okay, that was the Hobby Zone Sports Cub S2. Replaced the motor, put a new motor in, and she's working great. The old motor just stopped working, and this is only 2 weeks old, this plane. Well, alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.